na tigo tokaenda gwikase bunge ya Bonchari gusasa bunge ne omocho Nairobi asomo jumbe we bunge ya Bonchari muzike Dr. Charles Onchoke anyakabaga kobori meye bunge ekamati yoborendi nyarkabage kwanekia obotuki obotindi na koleta ama gosina koleta roboti igoro yogo kwa Bakenya ime yense ya Russia gosense ya Ukraine kubatakana mu next kigante kwane kiwagati yense ya Ukraine amo na Russia egati Bakenya nigo basinyarkabago siria amagimabo ase banyatoka bagwenyora bakurwanira ense ya Russia ime yense ya Ukraine namono omnyagosira gosana mono botitukanu nigo bagendete gwerorekana ase gosokubatkana amono gosira kwa Clinton nyapara mogesa uyo nyatoka kwanekirwa gosirira ime yense ya Ukraine ase amate yaye yanyakabaga kuborirwa gogesike kuboria nyarakabaga gwaso gwasiolirwa ogosira kwaye na ari agendete igoro yogosira kwaye.
Charles Onchoke.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 44.2c, I rise to request for a statement from the Chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Defense, Intelligence and Foreign Relations regarding the reported coercion of 2 Kenyan citizens into military service in the Russian Federation. Honorable Speaker, on diverse dates in September 2025, Mr. Clinton Nyapara Mogesa, holder of passport number BK154412, and Mr. Justus Mayenda Ombati of passport number AK0515051622, both from Bonchari, traveled to Russia separately in pursuit of employment opportunities as security guards through the engagement of recruitment agencies. Upon arrival, however, they were allegedly coerced into signing contracts to serve in the Russian military, despite having no prior military training or experience. The two are said to have undergone a brief conscription training before being deployed to the front lines of the ongoing Ukraine-Russia conflict. Honorable Speaker, it is reported that in November 2025, Mr. Ombati sustained severe injuries while at war and consequently was admitted to the DDT Pletna City Clinical Hospital Intensive Care Unit in Moscow. The family believes that Mr. Ombati is still at the said facility to date. Honorable Speaker, on 31st January 2026, Mr. Nyapara's family learned through social media that their son had perished in combat. To date, the family has not received any form of communication about the circumstances facing their kin. Honorable Speaker, this incident raised grave concerns about the safety and welfare of Kenyan citizens seeking legitimate opportunities abroad, as well as the effectiveness of our diplomatic interventions in such situations. Honorable Speaker, it is against this background that I request for a statement from the Chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Defense, Intelligence and Foreign Relations on the following. An up-to-date report on the whereabouts